Hey guys, I'm Hana. I'm going to show you how to create this shape animation like this. If you don't have time to create this, please check my MotionElements page. This animation and others are setting there. Let's start it. Create new composition. Duration is 3 seconds. Click OK. And create ellipse. And width is around 35, and hold Ctrl Shift key and make circle. Maybe like this, and Ctrl Alt Home and Ctrl Home. Make it center, and click Shape Layer tab and add Trim Path. Open Trim Path, and we're gonna set keyframe on 0 second. Click stopwatch of end and make it 0, and go to 20 frame, make it 35. Good. And go to 1 second, make it 100, and select all of them and hit F9. Go to graph editor and make graph like this. Okay, close graph editor. Next, click ellipse, stroke, and line cap. Set to round cap. Now, as you can see, like this, round cap. And I'm gonna duplicate this layer to make like this. They are same layers, but when I change the scale, stroke width could be proportion. We're gonna change setting to not make it so. And stroke, we bring it into contents and go to transform ellipse. There are scale, and when I change this scale, this shape keep same width. Okay, so close this tab and Ctrl D, duplicate, and go to 20 frame, open tab and contents, and ellipse, transform ellipse, and change smaller, like 85, and I set keyframe just for when I duplicate this layer again. To find this scale is hassle, so it's just for mark. Hit U. Now like this, and I also change offset just for mark, and I change offset and percentage down, like this, and hit U. Now like this. It's easy to change. And close tab and Ctrl D to duplicate, hit U, and change scale 70, and this, and offset change like this, and close this tab and duplicate again. I'm gonna do same stuff until this black area disappear. Finally, I could create. And next, duplicate again and hit U, and this scale it up like this. I delete and keyframe of trim path, and it's only second one. Select it and delete. Okay, now like this. I'm gonna bring it to 1 second. It start 1 second, so now like this. And I'm gonna change this width to fill whole screen like this. But between these small shapes, they are a little bit like this line, so I select exception newest layer like this, and width, change width to 37. Okay, good. And close this tab and go to effect and preset, type turbulent displays, apply it to newest layer. Now like this. A little bit there are black area, so make it up. Okay, and I change turbulent displays amount to 65 and size is 90. Now like this. Good. Okay, then Control A, select all of them and pre-compose them. I call it shapes. Okay, and go to effect and preset again and type simple choker, this one, apply it. I make choker mat to 12. Okay, and create text. I type dub effect. It's my channel name, and align it. And change text color whatever you want. And after create text, Control Y and make new solid. And change solid color to same as this text color. Click OK and break it down. Now it's finished. like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you like, please tap like button and subscribe my channel from upper right button, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter from links on my description or these IDs. Thank you.